Turkey and China are making waves in military technology, unveiling cutting-edge combat drones and AI-driven military robots that shock the US. These advancements are redefining the battlefield and challenging the US's technological edge. Explore how Turkey and China are transforming modern warfare with next-generation innovations that could reshape global military power dynamics. Turkey's Anka-3, an advanced jet-powered drone developed by Turkish aerospace industries, represents a significant step in Turkey's unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) evolution. Anka-3 is a stealthy, unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed for high-end reconnaissance, combat, and intelligence-gathering missions. Its key features include a low observable design that enhances its stealth capabilities, making it ideal for operations in contested environments. Recent updates have focused on refining the drone's aerodynamic shape to minimize radar visibility, significantly improving its range, speed, and payload capabilities. The Anka-3 is expected to support a wide variety of missions, ranging from intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance to air-to-ground strikes and potentially electronic warfare operations. This advanced drone is also designed to carry a diverse range of munitions, giving it exceptional flexibility in different combat scenarios and making it a versatile asset on the battlefield. The Loong 2 is a Chinese-made UAV developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. Designed for both reconnaissance and combat missions, the Loong 2 represents a significant advancement over its predecessor, the Loong 1, with improvements in payload, range, endurance, and overall performance. The Loong 2 features a sleek, aerodynamic design and is powered by a single turboprop engine, which allows it to reach a maximum speed of approximately 230 miles per hour. The UAV is capable of carrying a payload of up to 480 kilograms, which includes an array of sensors, cameras, and weapons such as laser-guided bombs and air-to-surface missiles. One of the standout features of the Loong 2 is its long endurance and range. It can stay airborne for up to 32 hours without refueling, making it highly suitable for prolonged missions over large distances. The UAV has a range of approximately 4,000 kilometers, enabling it to cover vast areas and operate in diverse environments. The Loong 2 is used by several countries, including China, the United Arab Emirates, and Egypt, among others. It has been deployed in various conflict zones for surveillance and combat operations. The Zaha Marine Assault Vehicle is an amphibious combat vehicle developed by Turkish defense company FNSS, designed to support marine forces in landing and combat operations. Built specifically for amphibious warfare, Zaha is capable of transporting personnel and equipment from sea to land, offering protection and firepower in various battlefield conditions. It is highly maneuverable on both land and water, allowing for swift transitions during amphibious assaults. Zaha is equipped with a machine gun and the automatic grenade launcher, providing significant firepower to support infantry during assault operations. Its modular armor system ensures protection against small arms fire and shell fragments, while the vehicle's V-shaped hull design enhances mine and IED protection. The vehicle's ability to carry up to 21 fully equipped soldiers allows for efficient troop deployment during beach landings. With its high level of protection, firepower, and amphibious capabilities, Zaha significantly enhances the operational reach of marine forces, making it a critical asset in Turkey's amphibious warfare strategy. The Chinese Sea Dragon Commandos demonstrated their innovative bird-like drones designed for covert military operations. These drones mimic the appearance and behavior of real birds, making them almost indistinguishable from the natural environment. Their design incorporates biomimetic technology, which allows them to replicate natural bird flight patterns, giving them a unique advantage in stealth and camouflage. This ability to blend seamlessly into the environment makes the drones ideal for surveillance and reconnaissance missions, as they can go undetected by both human observers and traditional radar systems. They could be used to gather intelligence, perform reconnaissance missions, and potentially execute targeted operations without alerting the enemy. This development showcases China's focus on enhancing its military capabilities through innovation, particularly in UAVs. The ability to carry out surveillance with such a high degree of stealth could lead to increased tensions and suspicions between nations. The drone's potential for espionage and their role in psychological warfare are noteworthy. Their capacity to gather intelligence without detection could be leveraged for a wide range of covert activities, from monitoring military installations to tracking key individuals. The Altay main battle tank is Turkey's flagship next-generation armored combat vehicle, representing a leap in the country's defense capabilities. Developed by BMC, the new Altay has been in focus due to its high-tech enhancements and local production. The new Altay's primary weapon, a 120mm 55 caliber smoothbore gun, offers superior firepower and precision. This firepower is augmented by advanced targeting systems like the laser-guided firing mechanism, enabling pinpoint accuracy even in challenging conditions. One of the tank's standout features is the ACOR active protection system, designed to neutralize incoming threats such as anti-tank missiles and RPGs by intercepting them mid-air. Enhanced composite and modular armor provides robust protection, making it resilient against a wide array of threats. The tank symbolizes a strategic pivot in Turkey's defense industry, reflecting a desire to create a globally competitive MBT that can also attract international buyers. The Chinese military recently unveiled a new kind of battle buddy for its soldiers, a robot dog with a machine gun strapped to its back. In a video distributed by the state-run news agency CCTV, People's Liberation Army personnel operate alongside a four-legged robot with a variant of the standard-issue QBZ-95 assault rifle mounted on it. This was part of China's recent Golden Dragon 24 joint military exercises with Cambodia in the Gulf of Thailand. In one scenario, Chinese soldiers stand on either side of a doorway while the robot dog enters the building ahead of them. In another, the robot fires a burst of bullets as it advances on a target. This isn't the first time the Chinese military-industrial complex has shown off an armed robot dog. In October 2022, Chinese defense company Kestrel Defense published a video showing an unmanned aerial vehicle airdropping a quadrupedal ground vehicle with a QBB-97 light machine gun on a roof during an urban warfare experiment. The company had previously released footage of robot dogs outfitted with various combat systems, including smoke grenades and loitering munitions. As recently as March, Chinese researchers claimed that tests involving robot dogs outfitted with an unidentified rifle yielded marksmanship that rivaled trained Chinese sharpshooters. The Kalkan Spy Drone is a state-of-the-art surveillance and reconnaissance drone developed by Turkey. Designed for intelligence-gathering missions, the Kalkan drone represents a significant advancement in Turkey's unmanned aerial vehicle capabilities. Its primary role is to perform surveillance and reconnaissance missions over various terrains, providing real-time data to military commanders. The Kalkan is equipped with high-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and advanced electronic warfare capabilities, allowing it to detect and track enemy movements from a significant distance. One of its standout features is its low observability, designed to reduce its radar cross-section and heat signature, making it highly stealthy and difficult to detect. In addition to its primary surveillance role, the Kalkan Spy Drone can be equipped with a variety of payloads to suit different mission profiles. The drone's endurance and range are optimized for long-duration missions, allowing it to remain airborne for extended periods, covering vast operational areas without needing frequent refueling or recharging. The WZ-7 Soaring Dragon is a Chinese high-altitude, long-endurance UAV developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group for surveillance and reconnaissance purposes. It is characterized by its unique joined-wing design, which improves aerodynamic efficiency and stability, allowing it to operate at high altitudes for extended periods. The WZ-7 is equipped with advanced sensors and radar systems for real-time ISR operations over vast areas, including airspace and maritime regions. With a wingspan of 24 meters, the drone's long endurance and capability to carry sophisticated payloads make it a critical asset for China's People's Liberation Army. It is capable of providing detailed targeting information, enhancing situational awareness, and supporting other military operations. The WZ-7 has been compared to the U.S. Global Hawk drone, given its similar mission profile and capabilities, but it is distinguished by its specific design features and the strategic focus of its missions. This UAV enhances China's ability to monitor contested regions such as the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait, providing valuable data that can be used for decision-making in both peacetime and potential conflict scenarios. The Kargu-2 is a quadcopter drone built by the Turkish company STM. It uses machine learning algorithms embedded on the platform, enabling it to operate autonomously as well as manually. The Kargu-2 is designed as an anti-personnel weapon capable of selecting and engaging human targets based on machine learning object classification. Although various ammunition options are available, the Kargu-2 detonates an explosive charge close to the target, minimizing collateral damage. Due to these characteristics, humanitarian concerns should focus on the drone's ability to distinguish legitimate military targets from protected civilians and direct its attacks accordingly. The technical difficulties of proportionality assessments when civilian collateral damage is expected are irrelevant unless the Kargu-2 is deployed in heavily populated civilian areas. Weapons that cannot make this distinction or limit their attack effects are already prohibited under customary international law. Commanders and operators must do everything feasible to verify that targets are legitimate military objectives and cancel or suspend an attack if it becomes apparent that the target is not a military objective. The Loong 10, also known as the Cloud Shadow, is a versatile medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV developed by the Aviation Industry Corporation of China. Unlike earlier Loong models, the Loong 10 is designed for both combat and reconnaissance missions, with the ability to carry a variety of weapon systems. It features an advanced aerodynamic design and high-speed capabilities, allowing it to perform complex missions in both high-risk and contested environments. The Loong 10 is equipped with advanced sensor systems, including optical and radar systems, which enable it to conduct precision strikes and gather real-time intelligence. Its stealthy design allows for reduced radar cross-section, making it harder to detect by enemy air defenses. Capable of carrying multiple guided bombs or missiles, the drone is suited for close air support, anti-tank, and suppression of enemy air defense missions. This UAV has been marketed for both domestic use and international export, making it an important component of China's growing UAV capabilities. The Bayraktar Akıncı, developed by Turkish aerospace company Baykar, is a cutting-edge unmanned combat aerial vehicle that represents a significant leap in drone technology. Designed to perform a wide array of tasks, the Akıncı is known for its versatility, long endurance, and ability to carry a variety of advanced weaponry. This UCAV is a crucial asset in modern warfare due to its capability to operate at high altitudes and its proficiency in both intelligence gathering and combat roles. One of the standout features of the Akıncı is its ability to operate at altitudes of up to 40,000 feet, which significantly expands its operational scope. This high-altitude capability, combined with its endurance of over 24 hours, allows the drone to undertake prolonged missions without the need for frequent refueling. This endurance is critical for persistent surveillance, intelligence collection, and executing strategic strikes deep into enemy territory. The CH-5 is a state-of-the-art combat drone developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. It is one of China's most advanced and capable unmanned aerial vehicles, designed for medium-altitude, long-endurance missions. The CH-5 has a wingspan of 21 meters and can carry a maximum payload of around 1,000 kilograms. It has an endurance of up to 60 hours and a range of over 10,000 kilometers, making it suitable for long-duration missions. The drone is equipped with advanced avionics, sensors, and satellite communication systems, allowing it to perform various roles, including ISR and precision strikes. The CH-5 can be armed with a variety of weapons, including guided missiles, bombs, and air-to-surface missiles. This versatility allows it to engage a wide range of targets, from ground vehicles to fortifications, making it highly effective in combat situations. The CH-5 is designed for both military and potential civilian applications, such as border patrol, anti-terrorism, and disaster relief. Its ability to carry out strike missions, along with its long endurance and extensive operational range, makes it a valuable asset for any military force. The Bayraktar TB-3 is an advanced UAV developed by the Turkish company Baykar, following the success of its predecessor, the Bayraktar TB-2. With a folding wing design, the TB-3 is tailored for naval operations, enabling it to launch from short runways or ship decks, enhancing Turkey's maritime capabilities. The TB-3 features a wingspan of approximately 14 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of around 1,450 kilograms. The UAV is powered by a single turboprop engine, which allows it to achieve a maximum speed of 300 kilometers an hour. The TB-3 is designed to carry a payload of up to 280 kilograms, which includes advanced sensors, electro-optical infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and a variety of precision-guided munitions. The TB-3 can operate at an altitude of up to 30,000 feet and has an endurance of more than 24 hours, making it suitable for long-duration missions. The UAV is capable of conducting a wide range of missions, including intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes against ground and sea targets. The TB-3 incorporates advanced avionics, autonomous flight capabilities, and AI for improved navigation, targeting, and situational awareness. The UAV's deployment on the TCG Anadolu will enable Turkey to conduct UAV operations far from its mainland, providing strategic flexibility and extending its operational reach in the Mediterranean, Aegean, and Black Seas. The WZ-8 is an advanced high-speed, high-altitude unmanned reconnaissance drone developed in China. One of the most striking features of the WZ-8 is its ability to operate at supersonic speeds, a capability that sets it apart from many other reconnaissance drones. This extraordinary speed, combined with its high-altitude operation, makes the WZ-8 an ideal platform for conducting strategic reconnaissance missions. The WZ-8's unique deployment method further enhances its operational flexibility and strategic value. Unlike conventional drones that take off from runways, the WZ-8 is air-launched from a modified H-6N bomber. This innovative approach allows the drone to be carried close to its target area before deployment, significantly extending its operational range and reducing its vulnerability during the initial stages of its mission. Equipped with an array of advanced sensors and imaging systems, the drone is capable of collecting a wide range of intelligence data. One of the WZ-8's most significant advantages is its ability to operate at extremely high altitudes, potentially beyond the reach of most modern air defense systems. The Kaan is Turkey's first indigenous fifth-generation fighter jet, marking a significant milestone in the country's aerospace and defense industry. The Kaan is designed to incorporate advanced technologies that position it as a formidable asset in modern air warfare. Among its most notable features are its stealth capabilities, achieved through advanced design techniques that reduce its radar cross-section and improve its survivability in hostile environments. A key aspect of the Kaan fighter jet is its emphasis on artificial intelligence technologies. These include sensor fusion, which allows the aircraft to integrate data from multiple sensors to provide a comprehensive situational awareness to the pilot. Advanced data links enable seamless communication and data exchange with other aircraft and ground units, enhancing coordination and mission effectiveness. The potential integration of autonomous combat capabilities represents a significant step forward in AI development, enabling the jet to make real-time decisions in complex combat scenarios without human intervention. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.